Hey guys, this is a fancy brown box that just came in the mail. I took off all the stickers of the address and everything because that doesn't need to be displayed. But I ordered something in the mail for my car to protect myself. A lot of crazy people out there driving, so I went ahead and purchased myself something that would assist me on the road, just in case if something were to happen. So I went and cut it up to be a lot easier for the video. So let me go ahead and just open it up. So, and what I got was a dash camera. I got the front and rear Thinkware F800 Pro. So I've gotten front and rear, and I'm gonna go ahead and do an unboxing on these two cameras. Was able to go ahead and also order their wiring that comes from Blackboxmycar.com. Got their wiring. They told me really it's not much of a difference from the Thinkware and their wiring. It's just wiring, it's just name brand. So I went and ordered theirs, and then it brings a clip removal kit. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and show you guys how it looks. So now I'm gonna go ahead and open it up after I changed the camera angle. I was too high and I didn't think it was gonna look that good, so I went ahead and changed the angle so you have a better view. So if the seal is broken, if you order from Blackboxmycar.com, make sure that seal is closed, because if it's open, that would be no good. So that's how it looks, the box up close. It does go ahead and have the Super Night Vision 2.0, which is one of the reasons why I wanted to get it, because I do a lot of driving at night coming from work. So I just wanted to go ahead and have the best camera I can have for night, and also one of the best cameras for the parking mode. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up and stop talking. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up with a fancy letter opener. So let's go ahead and get that set. Break the seal. Oh, so smooth. So let's go ahead and see if I can open this with balancing the camera. So right off the bat, you're presented with the camera, which is awesome. You're not presented with a bunch of books right away. So just take a look at the camera and see how that looks. Oh, it's actually pretty small. It's not that big. Very nice. Alright, let's go ahead and see what else is in the box. And if, let's see. You guys are wondering why there's a huge scratch on my hand. I was playing with my dog and he scratched the hell out of my hand. So then you just get presented with a cardboard just saying Thinkware Dashcam. So then that's, I guess, where all the booklet and cabling for the camera for power is there. So you have a nifty customer service information and using the mobile viewer. So let's see what else it has. Throw that to the side. Handy dandy instruction book. I don't need that. Let's see what else here. Then you get a bunch of mounts that you're able to go ahead and mount into your counter. That's one of them. And this is just in case if you are too lazy to hardwire. Well, it's a little bit easier, but you still have the nasty cabling that is going to be displayed if you connect it to your cigarette lighter. So let's go ahead and put that there. And we got fancy smelling beads, another sticky mount, and oh, this is pretty cool. It's like a USB reader for the memory card that's included with. Okay, so you plug in your memory card right there and plug it into your computer, so you would be able to see what you recorded on that drive. Okay, so let's see what else is in here. And then the last would be the memory card. It comes like, I think, at 32 megabits. Let me see. Well, 32 gigabits. I'm sorry, not 32 megabits. If it focuses. Oh, it won't focus. Well, it's 32 gigs you guys will be able to know because I'm saying it. And then you have another mount that you'll be able to mount the camera there for the camera. So all that's included, so throw this to the side. So you'll be presented with a camera, some mounts, memory card, and the cigarette lighter power for the camera. I won't be using this because I have the hardwire kit from Thinkware, from Blackboxmycar.com. So I have their wiring, so I can hardwire it to my car to utilize the parking mode. And let's go ahead and just put that all back in the box. So I can open the the rear dash cam. So let's go ahead and see here. Another cool thing, they do 1080p recording. The only sucky part about this one, it doesn't have 60 frames per second. It does 30, which still looks nice. It's not gonna be everybody's taste, but I like the night vision. That's the reason why I got this one. So let's see here. So wow, this is some. So I think majority of this box consists of cables. All right, so there's the cable to run from the back of the car all the way to the front, connects to the main camera, and this tiny camera is the rear camera. So it's really nice, very light. You just connect right there. So the damage I did to get this camera cost me $420. I went ahead and bit the bullet and bought the camera. I was really contemplating and not buying it because it's 420 bucks. It's a lot of money. But I saw a lot of people getting hit and run, so I just decided to go ahead and purchase this on their Valentine's sale. Well, if you guys like the video, just go ahead and like it. I'm sorry that it's so short, but I'm going to be doing an install video, putting it all set up on my Honda Civic SI 2017. So I'll go ahead and do an install video of that. That'll be my next video. So if you like the video, just go ahead and like and comment below and let me know if you liked it. If not, hit the dislike button. Appreciate your views and have a great rest of your day.